Hi, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and I'm so excited to share with you my Hobby Lobby clearance haul. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's get started. So everything that I found here is in the art supply section. So not the scrapbooking section, although they do have a lot of planner clearance going on right now. I just didn't need any of that stuff. But in the art section, they're starting to clearance out so they can get the new stuff in. And so you're seeing prices of like 75% off in a lot of cases. So here you see I have the gel press. I love the gel press. I actually already have one and do need a cleaner one. So I thought it would be great to get this one. It was reduced to $13.99 from $34.99. And if you don't know what a gel press is, basically what you do is you put kind of ink or acrylic paint on here, you use a brayer, and then you can make a lot of really great mono prints. I did a whole course in Momentum on mono printing, guys. So if you have Momentum, go to that course and learn all about how to use a gel press if you're interested. Then you can also get some canvases. So some of these they're really nice canvases. So these are the Masters Touch Fine Art Studios linen collection that I found on clearance. And so this is a 16 by 20 that I need for my art class that I take on Mondays with my sister. And they're regularly $19.99. You can often get these for 50% off. But I found these for $4.99, and these are just a really nice canvas. So I'm super excited to take this to my next art class. I also wanted to let you know that in the art section, they have some of these really great deals. One of them is on the Bible journaling kit for only $4.99. Again, that's 75% off from its retail of $19.99. This is a really great starter kit for someone who doesn't have any gelatos or any Faber-Castell Pitt pens. So I definitely will be giving this one away in April. So keep your eyes open for that giveaway. Here is a creative lettering kit that I got as well, and this one does have also your Faber-Castell Pitt pens as well as your gelatos. And again, $4.99 is what I paid for it, and it's usually $24.99. You also can find some brayers. Now, I love brayers, and I do use them with my gel press. So I am always on the lookout for brayers because I don't do good with them. They last for maybe a year or two, and then, somehow they either get bent or broken or whatever, but I was able to find them on clearance again. I've got 3 different sizes at the Hobby Lobby. I have the one here that is normally $7.99 for $2.24. Guys, this is a great deal if you need brayers, because I just bought them off of Amazon, and the cheapest I could get a brayer, that quality brayer on it, was like $10. So getting them for $2 was a steal. So this is a 6-inch brayer for $2.24. I've got a 2-inch brayer here for $1.99. Couldn't believe these prices, guys. And then I've got this large 8-inch brayer, a really huge one, for $2.24. So if you need a brayer, go to your Hobby Lobby, check out the clearance, and hopefully you'll be able to find one there. I also found some of these pens. There's a ton of pens. There's Faber-Castell pens on clearance. There's Sharpies on clearance. There's Staedtler fine liners on clearance. I just didn't need any of those, but I did pick up these opaque paint pens by Sakura, and they're the Pen Touch regular $4.49. I was getting for 99 cents, so I got 2 of those. You can also, in the art section, pick up some gel medium that I love to use for my art journaling. This is regularly $16.99, reduced to $4.24. And I think they actually even had the big size as well. I just didn't need the big size. Then I bought some flexible modeling paste. They also have the regular modeling paste as well. This one retails for $25.99. It was reduced to $6.74. So they also have the regular modeling paste kind for, I think it's like in this size for $4.24, but they also have a really big size that was like $9.99, like super reduced. So that was exciting. I picked up a couple of those. Now, my favorite part to share with you, before I get to that, let me just show you this right now. This is elastic sequins trim. So if you go to the sewing section, you can find some of these cute little ribbons And this is just a really cute elastic sequence trim that I thought would make really nice trim to make some kind of elastic holder for like your Bible or something. So I did pick up one of those I thought was really cool at $1.24, retailing for $3.99. A lot of these things you can usually find for half off, except for what I'm going to show you next, because what I'm going to show you next hardly ever goes on sale. So I like really got so excited about all of the paper that is on sale in the artist section. You guys, these never go on sale. They used to go on sale, buy one, get one free during school season, but this year they were buy one, get one half off. So what is that, like 25% off? Now you're getting them, if you can find them at your Hobby Lobby on clearance, for 75% off. So this one here, I've been wanting to get one of these visual journals, mixed media. Now this is 68 pages, 90-pound weight by Strathmore. And Strathmore is a quality brand, so I'm so excited to have this. And it was reduced to $2.99. And this is really great, thick paper for you to use if you're doing any kind of your faith art journaling. If you're in my Faith Inspirations program, you guys, these are great journals to check out. So check it out. So this is one of the ones I got for $2.99, and I love a good faith art journal. Now, for those of you guys who aren't, who are just watching this for the first time, I do a lot of faith art journaling, but you know, you could use these for any kind of journaling that you want. I also picked up an XL Canson Mixed Media journal, regular $10.99, reduced down to $2.74. Now this one is the 98-pound paper, but you get 60 sheets in there, and they're 7 by 10. Now this is an acrylic watercolor journal, and it's got this perforation on the side. So when you're doing your art journaling, if you want to fold it and rip it out, you can do that with these. And it's got that nice spiral coil. Now, you know, I usually will look for a sale on these to get them, buy one, you know, maybe get one free, but I haven't seen one in forever. So the last time I bought these, I think I only got like 25% off. So I was paying, you know, $7 for it. But here it was $2.75. So exciting. And then I wanted to let you know that there's another one as well in a higher pound weight. So this is 114-pound weight, regular $12.69 for an extra large mixed media multi Canson paper with the same perforation. It's just a thicker paper, and so I generally do prefer a thicker paper when I'm working with things like watercolor or anything that's really kind of like really wet as opposed to like drawing with a sketch pencil or color pencils or even acrylics. Don't really warp the page that much for me when it comes to these type of thick pages. So that is the extra large Canson as well. And then they even have like all of their paper. I mean, I'm not kidding you guys. They have all different sizes of mixed media. They have drawing paper, they have Bristol paper, charcoal paper, all of it was on sale. I don't use the other stuff, so I only bought what I'll use. But for this one, and I still have the first one I ever bought of these, but it was such a great deal because I know the first time I ever bought one of these pads, I paid at least $6 or $7 for it, but it was on sale for $2.57, and you get 30 sheets, 9 by 12, 140-pound watercolor paper. It's cold press, and it is just, you know, very nice, thick watercolor paper that you can use for your watercolors. So I also bought additional watercolor paper, but I did want to show you just to make sure that you are looking, because I bought 2 of the Strathmore watercolor cold press papers. These are 24 sheets. Both are 140 pounds, but one of them was $2.37 and one of them was $3.24, and it was the same one. So just be careful when you're shopping to make sure you're looking at the pricing. Your pricing is going to be different based on the weight of your paper, based on if it's hard pressed or cold pressed, based on the brand. There's so many different things that change the price, but this one was the same one and actually retailed for $12.99, but I didn't look at the stickers close enough. So one of them was $2.37, and then the other one was $3.24. In fact, when I bought this, I thought this was a 40 count sheet and this was a 24 count sheet, and I just think I picked up the wrong one, but that's okay. It was still a great deal at $3.24. I did also pick up a couple of these larger art journals. I do love the spiral binding because when you're working in your art, you can just flip it over like that and just work on it. I do like also that they do have the perforation here as well. So you can fold it and then just tear it out when you're done and display it in a frame. So I do love these journals. They're such great journals, super deal, regularly $16.29. On sale for $4.07. Now this is the 60 count paper. I think it's 98, but let me double check here. Let me move the sticker so we can see what the weight is on this. Yeah, this is the 98 pound watercolor paper or mixed media paper. And then we have this one here, which is 114 pounds. So your 50 sheets usually are going to be a thicker paper. So that's why you're going to pay just a little bit more. So this one was $4.44 and the regular price was $17.79. So super deal on that. And then also if you're into bullet journals, I saw a few of them that I thought were really cool. This one says embrace the extraordinary, and it's a master's touch bullet journal. Usually you can get these for $5. This one was on sale for $2.29. I really like this one because it has a little rubber band on it. And let me see if I can open it so you can see it. I don't do a lot of bullet journaling, so this one might be something I give to one of my close friends. So I have here the bullet journal, and then as you open it up, you just have all the little bullets. I don't do a lot of bullet journaling, but I know that my niece does, and so she might really appreciate this. And it says, embrace the extraordinary. So I just thought that was really nice. If you see these, I really like these. Now these are sketchbooks. They are actually with a leather cover to it. So let me show this to you. I really like this one because it reminded me of the Tree of Life. And here's a little card that says it's genuine leather. And this one has, and this is probably one I'll keep for myself, so I'll just show you what it looks like. Let me pull off the cover, but I just thought this was so cool. It just reminded me of like the Tree of Life, and it's a nice little leather cover to it with some nice paper, really good quality paper. And this is sketchbook paper, but it's actually pretty nice thick paper. It's not your normal, to me, it's not your normal sketch paper. And I just thought it was so nice. It smells so good. It's definitely leather. I thought it would be a great gift to give away. So I picked up an extra one, and this one is a butterfly. Now these are normally $19.99. You can often get them for 50% off, making them $10. But today, if you can find them on clearance at your Hobby Lobby, you can get them for, like I got mine, for $4.99. Let me show you the cover of this one. But I just thought that was so beautiful, and it smells so nice. I wanted to let you know also, these are 5x7 with 144 pages to them. So for $5, if you can pick one of these up, great deal, guys. I just think, how much fun can you have doing your journaling in that? There's also a few more I want to share with you that I thought were really great deals. This sketchbook here, I love this one. It's regularly $10. I got it for $2.49. It's a 3-piece sketchbook, and it has one that says Jeremiah 29:11, for I know the plans I have for you. And the inside to that one is a craft paper. And then you have this one here that's just kind of like a really pretty geometric. And you get the black paper with that one. I thought it was so cool. And then you have just a plain gray one that has the gray paper. So I thought that was really cool. If you want to look out for that, this is gray, craft, and black paper. 3-piece sketchbook, regular $9.99, again $2.49. Each of these has 60 or 80 pages. Now the pages here, they're like for sketchbooking or for some markers. They're gonna bleed, well, the black won't bleed through because it's black, but if you had white paper, if you're using maybe the craft. It might bleed through if you're using like a Copic, but if you're using a regular marker, you should be fine with it. So I found those. And then I found this sketchbook that I thought was really cool. It's got this like wooden look to it. So it was $3.29, regularly $12.99. I just thought it was so cool when I looked at it. So it has this little rubber band that goes around it. And then when you open it up, it's got this wood kind of bamboo cover to it. And then it's got all your sketch paper in it. So I thought, who wouldn't love this in their stocking in the future or as a gift with like a little card to it? What an inexpensive gift to give somebody at only $3.24. Normally $12.99. What a great deal. I mean, you could take this, put a little card in it, and it would be perfect. You wouldn't even have to do anything more as a gift. It's that cool. And if you wanted to be super bougie about it, just take off the Master's Touch thing and then maybe put like a little card with the person's name on it, and just like super minimal, super cool. And then lastly, I love this one because I love to use sketchbooks that are horizontal when I'm doing like urban line drawing or urban sketching. So these are perfect for your urban sketching if you're going out, you know, downtown or wherever and just sketching out the landscape. I love these ones. So this is just a sketchbook. It has 128 pages, but it's horizontal. And so you can sit there and you can get a lot of nice landscaping done in this one. And it was only $3.74. So I would love to know which of these finds was your favorite. So let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and like our channel because it really does help us out. And I thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.